Hey guys, it's Jovi and welcome back to my channel. So today's, I hope the camera might, if it's a little tilted, I'm sorry, okay? Today I want to show you guys what's in my skincare fridge. It's a coolie, I believe it's a coolie, and also what's on my makeup dresser, because again, if you watch me on my regular channel, because this is our lifestyle channel, but we have a main channel called Jovi Beauty. If you watch my main channel, you know this sits next to the desk that we stream from, right? And I'm always grabbing something from here to show you what's on it. So I figured, let's make a video on the lifestyle channel showing everybody what's actually over here. So before we begin, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm Jovi Beauty on all platforms except for this one, but whatever. So please follow, please subscribe, and now let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so first let's start with what's on the dresser. My steamer is here, right? Self-explanatory, right? I have a little compartment here with sprays, foundations, some extra lotion, just things that are stand-up big bottles that I want to put somewhere. Mind you, I am going on a trip in 2 days, so I did remove some of the stuff. Like, I removed some of the stuff, okay, like here or whatever. Toners, extra items that I do not or cannot fit in the fridge, because this is a large skincare fridge, but again, you can't fit everything in here. I have my skincare brushes in the background. I have this big bottle of lotion. Even though I really don't use lotion, I am a cream kind of person. Again, my L'Occitane body cream is on here. The oil is here. I keep my hand cream here. I keep one here, and I keep one by my bed, right? My vitamins are here. This container contains every piece of lipstick I own. It's lipstick. I have heel pink, whatever. Y'all women know what it is. Okay, I got a thermometer in here somewhere. But for the most part, this is a bunch of, even though this is mascara, why is the mascara in here? But okay. I have a bunch of lipsticks, including one that my daughter destroyed recently. I don't know why it's still here. Anyway. I'm missing something. Okay. So in the drawers, I'm not going to show you the drawers because that's going to be a lot of work. I basically have additional makeup, additional skincare, like my extras, right? My extra face washes, extra mascaras I buy, because I love the Marc Jacob mascaras. Whenever they're on sale, I just bought like 4 of these from Sephora for like $14. They're normally like 30 something dollars. So these are my, this drawer is my extra. You know, I got extra Glossier glosses, extra Peter Roth wrinkle pads, because I am a lover of exfoliation. This is just the stuff that I love. This oil is my everything. You are everything, and everything is you. Anyway, yeah, I just have, you know, an eyeshadow. Eyeshadows are in that drawer too, right? Like I said, additional items, anything that cannot fit in the current makeup kit, anything I'm not using that's not in my makeup case currently, or in the bathroom, like face wash that I'm actively using, any extra goes in the drawer. Now, the big boy. Dun dun dun. Can I zoom? So we zoomed in. So I have the face mask on the side. I have some L'Occitane face masks, some samples. I have some other face masks as well. I think this is Elf. I'm not sure. Okay, sheet mask, basically. There's sheet mask over here. Yeah, this is Elf. I have sheet mask over here, and in here, okay, my boyfriend. This is my boyfriend. Up here on the top, I have, on this side, I have face creams. Okay, I have again, these are just what I keep. These are not the extras that I might have in a drawer that I decided not to open yet. Right? This goes in the back. This is in the front. These are in the middle. I also, again, like I said, I have other ones that I have not opened yet, but these are the ones I'm currently using. These are face creams. Right? Over here, I have two nighttime serums. Sorry, I have two nighttime serums that I leave normally right here. Right? These are this is the eye section. I have a lot of stuff in here. Again, currently, the things that I'm currently using. You know, Biosin. I love this. I love Biosin, period. Okay, I love, if you haven't noticed, I am a fan of Biosin, a big fan of Biosin and Peter Roth. A huge in L'Occitane. You love me, you want to send me a gift to my P.O. box, you think I'm cute? Biosin, Peter Roth, L'Occitane. So these stay on this side. For the most part, they're on this side with these two night serums I pack here. This, my Kitsch, always in upward motion. I'm 40. Okay, so that goes in the middle. Now on the bottom here, it's normally divided into essences on the far right. Is this right or left? Right. Okay, whatever. Essences over here, toners here, and then serums all down here. I don't know if y'all can see them. I'm really hoping you can. It's a little stupid. It's not, well, I hope you can see them. Okay, so but now since I have numerous toners, they're just taking over the place, and this is the essence that I'm currently using. I'm not a big fan of it, but it's gonna have to do until I'm able to get me my fresh essence again, okay? Because I feel like this is a toner, but that's a story for another day, okay? That's a story for another video. I'm not doing this right now. This is a sample of the L'Occitane Moisturizing Mask, because I bought a couple samples of this. I keep this up here on top of the Peter Roth eye cream because, you know, it's huge. Anyway, and on this side, I keep all my serums. Day serums, night serums, face oils, okay? So let's go through these. This is a nighttime serum. Is it a nighttime serum? I don't know if it's a nighttime serum, but I only use it at night. It's, again, Peter Roth. Hope you can see it. If you can't, I'm very sorry. But let me, you know what? Since we showed the serums, let me get out a little bit. The Peter Roth serum. This is a Glossier Super Bounce. This is what I use in the morning time. In the daytime, it is hyaluronic acid, vitamin B, right? Of course. I guess I should get something with vitamin C in it. I just haven't, okay? Sunday Riley. I've used this face. This is my first face oil. This bottle is almost dead. Okay, it's gone. Am I gonna replace it? I don't know, because I got a replacement. I showed y'all the biotin oil. This oil, I have this oil in 3 different sizes. I have the huge one that I showed you that's in this drawer. I have a little tiny one that I use to travel. It's in my travel bag. It's like really small. It's like a sample that I literally just fill up the little one with this or this, right? I love this oil. It makes my face feel like it should feel, child. I don't know. And another nighttime, so I guess I use 1 serum in a day and 2 other serums at night. But also I only put on the face oil either at night or if I'm not putting on any foundation for that day, because I find if I put it on top underneath my foundation, it's a little problematic. So anyway, so then the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I use this as well at nighttime. Okay, so that is what's in my, hold on. Okay guys, so yeah, that's what's in my skincare fridge and what's on my skincare dresser. So for those people who are always asking me, there it goes. That's how I keep it. That's how I store it. That's how I keep track of everything that I have. And yeah, so as always, I hope you live your life like it's golden, because there's no other way to live it.